In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right character AI app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to download character AI app, you need to go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store on your Android smartphone. So I'll go to Google Play Store and from here search character AI by name. And once you have entered the name, go ahead and tap on search icon here and you should be able to see the app. Now open the app and this will give you the details. You can see it is from Character AI. And at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.4 with over 1 million reviews. And the file size of this app is around 53 MBs. And currently it has over 50 million downloads. So if you see these details and this is the current logo, you will know that you have the right app. Go ahead and tap on install. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of Character AI app. Then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and launch it from here. Or if you go back now to your apps, now you should be able to see your app here. So if I tap on it, you can see this is the home interface. You can now start using this app by just logging in. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.